Look at the view, it's nice. The sun is setting. I'm chilling over here with my suitcase, ready for the next adventure. I'm on time. Made it. I'm having a cool drink. Can't wait. Alright, so this is the train station. And we're going to the south, guys. We're going to the train. We're going to sleep on the train. All of us. This place was packed. But it's actually going really quick, so that's good. Okay, so I was at the boarding area and the lady said, no, you need the real ticket. You need to go and print the real ticket. So I'm gonna go and get the real ticket printed. I mean the real ticket. Because my ticket's on my phone. I'm having some Dunkin' Donuts over here. They're boarding now. Everyone has their designated. Oh, so did I tell you that I'm going on the sleeper train? Oh man, there are too many people here. Sorry. Okay, so I got the ticket. The guy was running. He was so sweet. Oh, I hate this. I don't want to run. Like my feet. These are sandals. They're not meant for running. Oh. All of this just for a paper ticket. Oh man. But we've arrived. We're here. Here you go.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Alright, so I have to go to car 13. I don't know where car 13 is. So, here. Alright. Oh, look, there's fans up there. There's fans up there. Okay, I don't know what number it is, so I have to put my stuff over here. Figure out where the luggage goes. Seat 31. Where are the numbers? 37, 34. The other side. This is strange. It's right. Yes? Awesome. Thank you. This is awkward. It's a lot smaller than I thought. It's a lot dirtier than I thought. And I'm next to so many people. But there's a lot of space. So guys, this is the situation. Yo, I'm so adventurous. This is the only place where we can have some, where we can get power. Oh, and it switches off at 10. I need to charge my phone right now. And the there, and there are no other chargers. Are you doing this again? But it's really an adventure, you know. I cannot wait to be tomorrow. We're supposed to be leaving now, and if my calculations are right, this place is empty, so I can probably change spots and go next to the charging area. I have a headache. Oh, they use the AC in the car. But I'm gonna have some food now. Charge my iPad so that I can watch a movie when there's no power. It's not bad. It's not bad. We just left a minute ago. I got my food. I'm charging that because power goes out at 10. So yeah. My seat is down there, but there's no charging points down there, so everybody's up here. I'm gonna have some food now. I'm gonna eat. I have a headache. This is the AC. I'm gonna eat and enjoy the ride. I think I arrive at 5 a.m. and then 5:30 I take the ferry to Koh Samui, and I arrive at 9. So I need some good sleep tonight because and there's a nice view. You can't see much. There's a cook. No, thank you. later, tomorrow. Breakfast maybe. Yeah, maybe later. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Yes. Yeah. Bye bye Bangkok. So it's a 10-hour trip. Oh my days, my head. It's a 10-hour trip, and I cannot wait to get out there and see how it is. So we're gonna have somebody that comes and lays in bed for you. She is and then you can go and sleep. Yay.